Yo, what's attracting people to a life of fame? The nights awake, binging, getting blind for days. Would you expect a tidal wave of guys, all disguises made to try to take a slice of that pie you made? When you're famous, you're the person people like to hate. Are you prepared for all the rumors and the lies they say? Yo, looking back at life, I never thought I'd go this far. Yo, I'm just thankful people welcome me with open arms. All these new friends and people that I hope to trust try to take advantage, got me thinking what their motives are. Girl, if the light's on your iPod and it's my songs, then drive on, cause a fan is not what I want.
Fame, cars, lights, they on you, cameras flashing for you. I'll trade it all on the way to happiness. What's the price of fame? Cars, lights, they on you, cameras flashing for you. I'll trade it all on the way to happiness. What's the price of fame? What's the price of fame? What's the price of fame?
Imagine it, never thought I'd be having it. Keep belief and be confident, but stay away from that arrogance. Yeah, I'm cashing in, that ain't what'll bring happiness. And I'm lucky making a living off of this music, that's what my passion is. I could go and buy a crazy fresh Mercedes-Benz, but I would rather help my mates in debt and pay their rent. Yo, I could make the trip to ATMs at 8 AM after I've been placing bets and partying for days on end. But what'll happen if I never see the same success? Yo, in the scheme of things, I think there's better ways to spend. When I was young, I saw my grandpa get laid to rest, and what I've got I'd trade it in if I could see his face again.
Fame, cars, lights, they on you, cameras flashing for you. I'll trade it all on the way to happiness. What's the price of fame? 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 Cars, lights, they on you, cameras flashing for you. I'll trade it all on the way to happiness. What's the price of fame?
Ain't about all the money made.
What's the price of fame?
Think about what you wanna make. Ain't about all the money made. Think about what you wanna pay.